Good morning, everyone. I'm at Rocky Point. Today is Friday. I still have to work, but I'm working on my boat, but on land. And the reason is, people mooring the park. The reason is, you can tell, very low tide. I can't launch my boat yet, so I just park at the boat launch parking and waiting for the tide to come up. This Wednesday, there's a wildfire going on at around this area, which is Belcarra. Behind Belcarra, there's a hillside called Enmore. Yeah, but the fire is already contained. Thank you for the firemen to help out the community. So that's why I have to work on my boat, but on land. Okay, now it's 7:45, so the tide is coming up. Let me show it to you. Yeah, my 25-foot boat is not too small, so I cannot launch. Even the tide is going up, I need to have to wait until the tide is go up more. I will show you later. The tide I need to go up, touching the concrete on the side. Then I know it's deep enough to launch my boat. Okay, let me work a bit. My friend will come after 12, hang out, and I will keep working. Okay, launch my boat. And what I said before is this concrete. If the water touch the concrete, that means there's deep enough for my boat to launch. Otherwise, I have to wait. Okay, back to work. Definitely today will be busy. Sunny. Friday. I just finished half-day work and just take a break and walk around at Rocky Point. The tide is coming up quite a lot. My friend already gone. Go to paddle boarding at Deep Cove. Another boat launching. You see the sky? In BC there's a lot of forest fire, and I think yesterday I see smoke. It's pretty smoky when I look up the sky, but today seems like it's all clear up. Since I have to work today, so my friends won't come until after noontime. So I'm going to have lunch at Rocky Point. Not sure what I'm going to get. Maybe the same burrito. I love burrito. I don't want to go to Deep Cove to buy the sandwich. Maybe half an hour ride with my boat just to Deep Cove and get a sandwich. It's not worth it, because I still have to come back to Rocky Point to pick up my friends. Okay, people start coming to the park. Not many people, but late in the afternoon should be like all packed, all full. Maybe it's still too early, like 11 something right now. Hi, little dog. Little doggy. Today I bring a lot of toys. I bring the mothership, the floating device, the mothership that tie up to my boat, and I also bring some like floating chairs because it's quite warm today, or I can say hot today. So I guess everyone will be jumping into the water today and sitting on the floating chair, having beer and barbecue I also bring my snorkeling equipment. I can dive into the water. Let's see what I can see underneath the water. Yeah. Hello. Morning. And this is the Rocky Point Park. And the fountain, the water fountain is already turned on. All the kids is already start playing with the water. I'm heading to the washroom over there. Okay, I changed my mind. Today's lunch, Pajo's fish and chips. Let me order 2 pieces of corns and fries. And the fries is unlimited. You can refill as much as you want. Okay, let me go and order white corn and bottomless fries, 2 pieces, $23.75. Yeah, not bad. Order number 11. Should be ready soon. I need to get some ketchup. And they have cutlery too. Okay, and then my next meeting is at 1 p.m. Fish and chips. Eating during work hour, so still working. And it's quite warm today, so I turn on my fan. And waiting for my friends at the dock right now. I put up the blind because the sun is on that side. It's getting too warm, so I block the sun using my curtain. Okay, only 2 friends here. And all the ladies are parking. Getting a parking spot. Not arrived yet. Okay. Almost ready to departure. I'm already wearing my outfit for swimming. Okay, get ready. Get set, go. Okay, 飲杯 Cheers. Happy August. 今日我哋去佢嘈鴨啊佢，我要玩呢個 standby 㗎，我最中意冇急，最中意 standby 嘅。嚟唔好急 set 好先。哇，好大風，哇唔得，好大風，so windy。我隔離鄰舍 Thomas Lee 都做啦，嘈鴨啊，唔係靜雞啊。溫哥華呢個 snow 都冇咁勁啊。Okay, something from Japan, right? Yes. Premium malt. Santoria. Wow. And chicken wings. First course, chicken wings. 擺粉陣間先係嘛？哦，我攞上嚟。Cups 臨尾先，Cups 臨尾。開幕啦！但係你唔影到自己啊嘛？影到，可以 selfie 啊嘛。Chicken wings。哇 ，chicken wings。Yes。African chicken wings。Spicy chicken wings。Yo。好靚喎啲雞誒，邊個整㗎 ？Okay, all my friends。邊個燒㗎？靚到咁嘅可以。Devil。俾大家睇啊，有得睇㗎。哇！好靚喎。咩㗎？雞有得睇啊！我哋做咩影？Very nice。好多手指毛啊！影隻雞啦。Premium malt。From Japan。德 wing， 哇 ！Albert 落幾歲都做到啲嘢嘅咩？係㗎。雖然我都 keep improving 都好啲嘅。係咪啊？講英文啊喂，我要出 YouTube 㗎。佢啊，即刻靜晒。你識到 plating OK？
Plating is not bad.
Beyond okay.
80%.
Okay.
Oh.
J-O-W-L.
Jow.
JOWL.
Pork jowl. Is it Japan?
Jow.
Japan pork jowl?
Japanese pork
Japanese pork jowl.
Premium pork jowl.
pork jowl 唔係仆街 pork jowl。
Pork jowl.
Pork jowl.
試下睇下有咩味啦。
Okay.
Premium Japanese pork jowl.
黑毛豬係靚啲嘅，係啊，黑毛豬係靚啲。
剪就知道佢。
慢慢剪啦。
哇！黐線喎呢個包，大佬
哦，哇！
食藥啊嗱，今晚食藥啊！
唔係成日都有。
喂，影張相先，影張相先唔得。我呢個梗唔係成日都食嘅，大佬上海拎翻嚟。
未熱啊。
係
太粉啦。
係啊。
哇！Oh my
我哋6個人啊嘛，
六公仔麵啊。
六公仔麵 on top 啊，咁要冚翻啊，唔好俾佢走水啊嘛。
That's a lot of 大閘蟹。
走水
係啊。
過籠，
你將個蓋爐揭開咪得咯。
幾多乾啊？
Instant noodle
有
with crab meat. Crab meat
愛罐係嘛？
and corn.
罐有冇少少啊？
And I'm boiling the water for the noodles.
好多，咁都唔使煮啊嘛。
整杯麵。
個飛機整得到啊？
係咯。
我哋依家唔使整，
唔使整啊
唔使啦，
冇咗啦。Covid 之後就唔使整，除咗 business class 啦，即係 by order 啦。
所以唔使整，即係佢自己整。
唔係啊，
唔整俾人。
後邊冇
我食啊
冇得食。
得 business 啊！係得
Crab meat.
得唔得？
哇，好蟹粉喎！
誇張。
哇，聞到香，
問電話。
聞電話都香啊！
哇，
真係啊！
好香啊！
正到爆啊！
哇，啲蟹真係正。
啲動物出晒嚟啊！
同埋真
怪之啲人
係，
中意食蟹
未聞過呢陣味啊！
喂，你隻蟹得唔得？
仲有蟹螺陣間，
仲有蟹螺
個
啊！
蟹螺未上嚟啊！
真蟹啊！
其實唔應該等埋個蟹籠，有蟹整埋個真蟹再哇
分開。
double dip 啊！
係
係邊個隻蟹啊？
咁
聞到
遠都得啊！
哇！Nancy，哈哈！
嚇？
哦，原來係二，其實應該二拎先啱啊！
係二拎帶翻嚟嘅蟹。
So warm today. Now it's already 5 p.m. We just finished barbecue and now we have noodles with crab meat. And with all my friends. Hello.
影啊！咁大啲，
哇！
黐線
哇！
跟住我哋個 broccoli，
哇！
仲有嘢㗎！
而家啲菜啊！
哇！
因為通常 broccoli 係撈蟹粉㗎嘛。
係吞多少少啊！唔好意思。
咩事啊？
咁我
撈
啊！
我手倒落去啊！
誒呢邊撈過去，睇住個身啊！睇住個身。而家個鐵兜而家，小心啊！小心啊！
將一個好健康嘅嘢變成好唔健康。
咁啊，broccoli 好健康嘅。哦。哇！好彩俾我偷睇到啫。
好正喎！
真係好甜啊！
自己都有咁樣拎過翻嚟整啊？
我攞過翻嚟㗎，一次係上過咯，撈飯咯。
My crab noodles.
係啦。
Okay, already 8 p.m. Now I'm going to get back my crab net. Hopefully there's something inside. Last week only 3 crabs, but they're all female, so I put it back release it back into the water. Hopefully this time I can get some male with a good size. Let's see. Friday night, finished bowling with friends, and it's my me time again.